Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the recovery media and target machine. Plug an 8 GB USB into a working PC, download the Lazesoft ISO, and create a bootable USB with Rufus. Choose UEFI or Legacy to match the broken computer. Once the USB is ready, insert it into the problem PC, then power on and enter BIOS/boot menu, usually F2, F12, or ESC. Select the USB. Make sure Secure Boot is disabled if the device won't boot, and proceed to the Lazesoft main menu. You'll now choose the function that matches your goal: password reset, file recovery, or system restore. Select it from Lazesoft's menu, and before altering anything, create a disk image backup to an external drive. This preserves a fallback. When imaging, pick a compression level that balances speed and size, and confirm the target path. For password resets, select the Windows installation and account. For file recovery, scan the correct partition. Watch progress closely, and write down any error codes if a step fails. Finish by applying the chosen recovery action and then rebooting into the repaired Windows environment. Check login and file integrity immediately. If the system won't boot, use Lazesoft's Startup Repair or BCD Rebuild tools. Select the system partition and follow prompts. Make sure to restore only from the verified image if things get worse. One troubleshooting tip: if changes fail repeatedly, detach non-essential peripherals and retry, and keep the recovery USB plus your disk image until the system runs reliably for at least 48 to 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.